Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, yesterday Mitch McConnell said that we probably will be getting a new stimulus package. But he also said that we can't keep propping up everything that gets broken. I hope Mitch McConnell remembers this next time he wants to send aid to a foreign country. We can't keep propping up the whole world. Let's take care of our own people for a change. Y'all, House of Representative Omar said that she believes Tara Reade and that Joe Biden did all the things that she said he did. But Omar said that she will still vote for Joe Biden. That just tells you how Omar thinks. It's time to vote her out of office. Sometimes I think that diaper that she's got on her head is wrapped a little too tight. It's cutting off circulation to her brain. Have you ever noticed all the third world countries that's got all these starving people? They're eating out of garbage piles. They don't have anywhere to live. They don't have a home. But yet, their leaders are billionaires and millionaires. Does that sound like anywhere that y'all know? Folks, all you got to do is just go down the street and look on the street corner. We're there. We got people starving, don't know where their next meal is. We got people homeless, living on the streets, living under the viaducts, living in cardboard boxes. But everybody in Washington is billionaires and millionaires, and they go out to recess. They say it's no big hurry. I wish they could spend one night in a cardboard box. They would see the need for it to be rushed through. Y'all, there's several countries that's got a stimulus check going to their people every month. And yet, America is the best country in the world. Shouldn't we have been the first ones to do that and let other countries follow us? We've got one stimulus check. Other countries get some every month. And we're having to fight, scrape, beg, everything to get another stimulus check. I still feel confident that we will get another stimulus check, and I'm 75% confident that it will be $2,000, not $1,200. It just don't make sense to give people another $1,200 when it wasn't enough the first time. If they're going to do it every month, okay, yeah, $1,200 is great. Do that. But if it's a one-time payment, give them $2,000. And then open the damn country up. I'm getting so sick of this whole pandemic thing. It's just a big political game that they're playing to control us. Just look around. They are controlling us. They are the puppet masters and we're the puppets. It's time for us to cut the strings. I love y'all. Please come back tomorrow.